All right, my dudes, it is Friday, and this is intensity day on our deadlifts. As you may or may not be able to see, it is raining on me right now. So we are going to slap 550 on here, do our pull, and then get everything loaded up before the rain gets worse. My biggest concern right now is just my equipment rusting up on me, so we're trying to be quick about that. But we are contending with April showers. One thing about the 550 we're lifting today is that it is personal. I was supposed to do this during week 1, and I missed the lift like a punk. So today is payback. My feet are wet. Okay. Want to do my plate math real quick. Okay. Want to make sure I wasn't uneven. All right. That's 550. And that's 550 for 2. So we did it. We're stronger than we were a month ago. How my triceps doing? I got a tan, a little bit, farmer's tan. Anyway, that's literally all we got today. I'm gonna pack this up before it gets too wet and we rust out our equipment. Catch me on Monday for volume day, and I don't know, drop your max deadlift below. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for joining me. We'll catch you later.